Hi, kids. I wanted to do a quick lesson for math today for you. Our math lesson today is all about using 10 frames to add. You'll see that right here, this large rectangle that is split into squares is called a 10 frame. And you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. And 10 frames are another type of strategy that will help us add numbers quickly. So when we are using 10 frames to add, what I can really quickly see is if this 10 frame is filled up, then I know that that's 10 right away. And any overflow will come down here into the second 10 frame. I think probably the easiest way to explain this and for you to understand is to do a demonstration. So I'm going to start right up here with our first math problem. 7 plus 5. So what I'm going to do is I am going to color little dots in 7 of the sections of my 10 frame. And you can see right there, I have 5 in. It's very easy to see that I have 5 in because I know that the top is filled. So when I look at it, I count 5, 6, 7. Oh, good. That's what I need, 7. Now I'm supposed to add 5. And here's where the strategy of making a 10 comes in handy. I can quickly see, ooh, okay, to make a 10, I need to fill those 3 squares. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 with another color, but I need 5. So I've got 3. Oh, my overflow, I'm going to put down here. 4 and 5. Now, when I actually do my addition, I can quickly see, oh, 7 plus 5, well, there's 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 must equal 12. And that's very easy for me to see. Okay, let's try a different one. I'm going to do a couple of examples for you and get these moved out quickly. Our next problem, as you read over at the side, is 4 plus 6. Now, you know the commutative property, so it really doesn't matter what order I add them in. I always start with the biggest number, so I'm actually going to start with the 6. And I know, oh my goodness, when I'm looking at the 10 frame, remember if I filled the entire top, that's 5. So right there's 5, but I want 6, so I'm going to put 1 down below. 5, 6. That's very easy to count. And now I need to add on 4. Oh, and I see that I have 4 spots left right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when I do that, it's very easy for me to see 4 plus 6. Oh, it fills up the entire 10 frame. My answer is 10. All right, let's do one more together, and then I think you're going to get the concept. When we start doing your paper, because you will have a paper to do on this, you are going to be using just a crayon. So use a red crayon and a yellow crayon and make red dots and yellow dots. All right, we've got 9 plus 5. Oh, and that should be equals 9 plus 5. Okay, so as I look at the 10 frame, I think, 9 is 1 less than 10. So in order to fill 9 in here, I'm going to fill the whole top. And I'm going to fill everything on the bottom except one spot. Oh, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. I'm going to add 5. Ooh, I've got 1 to fit in there. 1, and I'm going to put my overflow down here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now that I filled my 10 frame, when I add them, I can see 9 plus 5 equals 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And my answer is 13. All right, since we've done those together, I think you kind of get an idea of how to do it. So you're going to use your red crayon and you're going to use your yellow crayon to color in boxes. I'm going to show you what your paper is going to look like. Your paper is going to look like this. See if I can make it bigger for us. There we go. So your first problem is going to be to do 8 plus 6. So you're going to fill in 8, perhaps in red up here, and then you're going to switch to your yellow crayon. You're going to fill up the rest of the boxes in the 10 frame. Overflow goes down here. So I know on your work today, you have a page where you have to do math problems. In fact, you have 2 pages. And then we hit a page where if I blow this up a little bit for you, you can see the math problem is empty. Well, here's what I'm going to do for you on this page. I'm going to include 2 dice for you. And what you're going to do is you are going to roll the dice. And whatever 2 numbers you get are going to be your add-ins. So, okay, let me roll the dice. Oh, I got a 5 and a 4. So I'm going to do 5 plus 4 equals blank. So in the 10 frames, I'm going to do 5 in red, 4 in yellow, and see how much I fill up. Instead of our 10 frames being up and down this time, they're across, so you'll be able to handle that, I'm sure. So you're going to do one page where you use the dice and have the opportunity to make up your own problems. All right, hope that helps you do your math today. Thanks.